In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the CapCut audio glitch. This should be a quick and easy process. Now, without further ado, let's jump straight into it. First, make sure your audio is in the timeline, click on it, then go to Basic. You can click here to enhance the voice and choose the intensity of this effect, then scroll down and click Reduce Noise. This will reduce any static, echo, or stuttering in your audio. After that, scroll up, go to Speed, change the speed if needed, then adjust the audio pitch. Then go back and click Normalize Loudness. This will keep the loudness consistent across your audio track. This was an easy and quick process. I hope this video was helpful. As always, thank you for watching.